How to change the owner of a Google Drive folder on Android. This tutorial shows you how to transfer folder ownership through your browser, since the app doesn't support this feature. First, make sure you have already shared the folder with the person you want to transfer ownership to. They need to have access before you can make them the owner. After that, open Chrome on your Android device and go to drive.google.com and sign into the same Google account. Then tap three dots to turn on Desktop Site to enable the transfer process. From there, find the folder you want to transfer and tap the three dots next to it to open the Options menu. At this point, tap on Share to open the sharing settings for that folder. In the next step, tap on Share again, and another dialog box will appear showing everyone the folder is currently shared with. Following this, find the person you want to make the new owner and tap on their role dropdown next to their name. Once done, you'll see a Transfer Ownership option in the dropdown. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, tap Send Invitation to notify that person that you'd like to hand over ownership of the folder. Finally, once they receive the invitation and accept it, they will officially become the new owner of the folder, and you'll be moved to editor access automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you transfer ownership of a Google Drive folder on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.